Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. How many times have you gone to install a new application from the Google Play Store and then have to sit there waiting for the app to be downloaded and installed so that you can just tap on that open button once it appears? Personally, I've done this many times, but it looks as if Google may be working on a feature that will automate the latter part of this process. In a new APK Teardown, detailed over on Android Authority, we've learned that Google has been working on a toggle that will automatically open the application after it has been installed. This toggle will only appear after you have tapped on the blue install button. So once it has begun to download, you can minimize the Google Play Store and the rest will be automated. Once the application has been downloaded, you will then see a notification with a 5-second countdown. After that countdown has finished, the application will then open automatically. Naturally, you can prevent this from happening by disabling the toggle as it appears. But if you're the type who wants to jump right into a newly installed app or game, then this new feature could be quite useful. As of right now, we don't know if or when Google plans to roll this feature out to the public. These APK teardowns only reveal which features the company has been working on lately, and they are not guaranteed that it will be released at all. However, I suspect that if Google decides to push this feature live, then it will be disabled by default. Now, with that said, I could see Google keeping the toggle on after it has been manually enabled for one application, so you wouldn't have to tap that toggle every single time going forward. But I find it difficult to believe that they would want this to be the default behavior for everyone. So we'll have to wait and see what Google decides to do, but I would be curious to learn what you think of this new feature. Is this something that you would like to use? And would you like it to be enabled by default and enabled for every application you install? Let me know down in the comment section below. And please remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android news content like this.